Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix back-forward cache issues in Google Chrome, step by step, in 2026. If you've noticed pages breaking, not refreshing properly, forms showing old data, or websites behaving strangely when you press the back or forward buttons, the back-forward cache feature might be the reason. Let's fix it. First, understand what this feature does. Back-forward cache, also called bfcache, allows Chrome to store a snapshot of a web page when you navigate away. When you go back, the page loads instantly from memory instead of reloading from the server. While this improves speed, it can sometimes cause problems with dynamic websites. Now, let's go step by step. Open Google Chrome, click the address bar, and type chrome://flags, then press Enter. This opens Chrome's experimental features page. In the search box at the top, type back-forward cache. You'll see options related to this feature. Look for back-forward cache or bfcache settings. If it's enabled, change the drop-down from enabled to disabled. After changing the setting, click the relaunch button at the bottom of Chrome. This restarts the browser and applies the change. Now test the website where you were facing issues. Try navigating between pages using the back and forward buttons. If the problem was caused by the cache, the site should now refresh properly. If you still have issues, clear your browser cache as well. Go to settings greater than privacy and security, greater than clear browsing data, choose all time, and clear cached images, cookies, and site data. Old cache data can conflict with page behavior. Another tip is to disable problematic extensions. Go to More Tools, Greater Than Extensions, and temporarily turn them off. Some extensions interfere with page caching and script behavior. Also make sure Chrome is updated. Go to Help, greater than About Google Chrome, and let it update automatically. New versions often fix compatibility problems with modern websites. If you want to re-enable the feature later, go back to chrome://flags and switch it back to default. And that's how you fix Google Chrome back-forward cache issues, step by step, in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.